The NEOLIVER project is transforming treatment of chronic and end-stage liver diseases by generating the world's first bioengineered liver by using the patient's own stem cells. This groundbreaking approach is creating hope for patients that are now facing really long waiting lists for receiving organ transplants. Driven by patients as well as transplant centers, NEOLIVER is creating cutting-edge science in cell biology, bioengineering, but also the clinical translation to create artificial organs from scratch. Using GMP-compliant processes, we're scaling up the cell culture, bioprinting liver constructs, but also making them ready for transplantation. At first, we'll use these liver constructs in large animal models before we can progress into clinical application in clinical trials in human medicine. With a consortium of 12 teams throughout Europe, NEOLIVER is not just advancing liver cell therapy, but we're actually creating a platform of which we can also use for other organ systems to create these organs using bioengineering approaches. This ambitious project, co-funded by the European Commission, is building a future on which bioengineered organs will become a reality.